People, I am Anmol Sarkar. So if you have seen my introduction video, you guys must have an idea about who I am and what I am trying to do and what this channel is all about. And if you have not seen that video, for Facebook I'll share the comment link in the comment section, and for YouTube in the description below. So please don't forget to watch that video and enjoy this video as well, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel so that I can come up with more such videos for you guys. So if you have seen my last video, you guys must have known that how I made a shift from the historical part to the modern politics, and how international communities got activated and all these kind of things. In today's video also we shall continue it further and see few more such examples of how this international community got involved. So without wasting any further time, let's start. So if you have seen that there in last video I have covered about 2000 and 2001 seminar, 2000 seminar in Chennai and 2001 seminar in Durban, South Africa. In today's video I will be covering 2004 and 2005 New York conference. Okay, so first part is 2004. India is a Dravidian Christian nation and Christians made Sanskrit. Okay, so if you have seen my last video, you guys must remember that how I was talking about this Devianagam and his daughter Dev Kala were trying to propagate his book India, the international child mother of racism. Their book actually they wanted to propagate. So in 2004, Dev Kala published a 400-page guidebook for field missionaries and evangelical missions, titled India is a Thomas Dravidian Christian nation. The title of the book is India is a Thomas Dravidian Christian nation. This book is filled with hatred against India. Okay, this book quotes that, one of the quotes from this book is, Dravidian rulers were cunningly cheated by Aryans, though women, diabolic schemes, drugs and denial of education. Okay, Dravidian rulers were cunningly cheated by Aryans through women, diabolical schemes, drugs and denial of education. The word Aham Brahmasmi was another evil idea brought by the Aryans. Originally Aham Brahmasmi meant God is in me, but Shankaracharya cunningly twisted it as I am God, which is absolutely false. Aham Brahmasmi is a concept which is which you will find reference to in Vedas, and it states that God is in me, and Adi Shankaracharya did nothing to twist it. Now if you see a pattern here, this is, they will propagate it through various Bollywood movies and etc. For example, if you have seen a recent Netflix show which goes by the name Sacred Games. Okay, in Sacred Games the central theme of a character named as Guruji, or Pankaj Tripathi, who plays the character of Guruji, you will see all the shady works he does and he justifies it by this Aham Brahmasmi. Okay, so if you have seen the second season, in one episode that Guruji is sitting with his colleagues or whatever his disciples, and he is justifying that we have come from one source and we shall go back to other source, and he is using that philosophy to justify nuclear attacks on India. Okay, the truth is completely different from what they are propagating in Sacred Games. So if you have seen this in Sacred Games, Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi, this Aham Brahmasmi philosophy was used to justify that I am God, and all the shady works and all the nuclear attacks under the garb of this philosophy was propagated. So please beware of such propaganda. So actually this Aham Brahmasmi which was taken in Sacred Games was taken from this book only, and Dravidian Christian missionaries idea, this was the idea of Dravidian Christian missionaries. Okay, so in 2005, the next part is, in 2005 there was a New York conference on reimagining Hinduism as a Saint Thomas Dravidian Christianity. Similarly, in 2005 three organizations came to hold the first international conference of history of early Christianity in India, from the advent of Saint Thomas to Vasco da Gama. Okay, these were Institute of Asian Studies, the Dravidian Spiritual Movement. Okay, the first is the Institute of Asian Studies founded by John Samuel. Second is the Dravidian Christian Movement founded by Devinagayam, and the New York Christian Tamil temple. Okay, an information piece about the event that boasted its original orientations. Okay, they claimed that this great project and enthused our evangelist to work to deep sense of pride and commitment with rich and fascinating material for the operation for the expansion of kingdom of our Lord on this earth, and thus to shower peace and prosperity on humanity at large and Indian nation in particular. Okay. So not only that, this movement gained many actually high profile support from various US politicians, and US government was directly involved in this kind of things. One of their famous senator, who goes by the name Senator Hillary Clinton, if you know who Hillary Clinton is, she writes, okay, she quotes this: the first international conference on the history of early Christianity in India will successfully combine different and diverse resources to fully explore the presence of early Christianity in India. She further quotes, I am confident that the breadth of resources presented during the conference will shed light on the impact of Christianity on medieval and classical Indian and its effect on the cultural and political climate in India and throughout the world. This is the words of Senator Hillary Clinton. Okay. So after that, many such papers were produced in various platforms which claimed that Christianity was, Hinduism was a derivative of Christianity on all this kind of things. Okay. So however, after this formulation of strategy, John Samuel, the founder of Institute of Asian Studies, writes that, but we had foreseen the opposition when we declared about our programs pertaining to Christian studies, which is the vital part of Asian sensibilities and heritage. Although this forms of basic agenda of this center and significant component of its constitution, we found it very difficult to execute the projects connected with early Christianity till we made a thorough reshuffling of basic structure of this organization. Okay. So this is how they were trying to gain political support of the US government, and I have named a few political people as well. So this was it for today, guys. Please enjoy this video and have a nice day.